Hello everyone, welcome back to me again. And in this video of week 2, I'd like to talk to you about television project in particular. In the previous week, we learned about project-based learning in general. I'm sure that you understand some basic principles and importance as well as the roles of project-based learning and how it can contribute to the development of skills and the reinforcement of knowledge that students accumulate during their study. So, in order to be successful in this course, in this week, what we have to do is that you have to read the material very carefully before we start, and also review the lessons that we studied previously. So after studying this week, hopefully you will actually have understanding about the purpose of English television projects, and you can actually form some kinds of objectives or expected outcomes of the project, and at least you will also need to know about how to divide the work among members of the group. This is because in this project you have to carry out it's in a group in order to develop a range of skills such as teamwork, collaboration, problem solving, or just team management skill. So let's start first. The first main point of this lesson, it is about determining the purpose of television projects. So what is the purpose of television projects? Um, of course, a television project in general is a project that aims at asking you to complete a kind of television videos, but in order to identify your purpose of the purpose of your project, you probably need to follow the following step. For example, in the first step, you need to choose a social issue that matters to you. Probably you can start by discussing and researching the current social issues. Some examples of the current social issues can be like bullying in schools, climate change, homelessness, mental health awareness, gender equality, or cyber safety. Well, in step 2, you might want to ask yourself the following questions. What do you want to achieve with this project? You also need to think about your goal. You also need to think about the audience, your expected audience who are going to listen to you, watch your videos. What do you want them to do, to feel, or to learn after watching the videos? Well, some possible purposes of a television video can be to inform people about the problem, like such as cyberbullying, or to raise their awareness of the importance of doing something such as the importance of giving some care toward your mental health, or actually to persuade them to take action such as to reduce the plastic use. In some other cases, a television video can also serve the purpose of inspiring a change or an empathy toward something like a tragedy or some personal bad stories or sad stories. Or at least it can also bring something like a call for a solution. Okay.